Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make dhaba style easy chane ki dal. So you must try this recipe. Let's start. You'll need 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of jeera. Now add 1 tablespoon of kalonji and 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 medium-sized onions. Now fry till it gets golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next add 2 medium-sized tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, and add salt according to your taste as much as you require. Now mix well. It will turn into something like this. Next, here I have boiled some chane ki dal. According to this cup, I took 2 glasses of this cup and boiled it. Now next, you can see how this turned out. Now in this mixture we are going to add the chane ki dal one by one as shown. Now with the help of a spoon mash the dal a little bit but not completely. Now add little water to make it some gravy type. Now add 3 tablespoons of butter. And for garnishing you can use corianders as used here and some dry mint. Now mix and let it cook for some time, then you can serve. Our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.